Do you think influencer marketing is only for small, mom and pop brands? Well, think again. In today's case study, we're talking about how one of the world's most famous brands, Nike, leveraged influencer marketing to generate some serious buzz around its Vapormax release, and how you can replicate this strategy yourself. Nike ended up running a few videos with the super popular YouTube channel, What's Inside, a long-running channel made up of a father and son team with over 7 million subscribers who gained their fame by cutting up random objects and showing their viewers what's inside, much like their channel name would imply. The pair's relatable tone and ideal target audience of young adults proved to be a smashing success for Nike's campaign. In addition to their primary video, which now has over 7 million views, they'd also filmed a series of 7 videos in total documenting their trip, earning around 10 million views in total. As a result, Nike was able to generate tremendous brand awareness among young male adults, building a wide top of funnel for themselves. So how can you replicate these results for your own brand? As we've mentioned in other videos, influencer size is key when optimizing for your goals. Brand awareness campaigns typically thrive when larger influencers are used. Additionally, the platform you're using plays a big role too. If you want to go the entertaining route, run TikTok campaigns. If you want to go the informational route like Nike did, YouTube makes sense. If you want to go for a combination, try Instagram. The key here is to build a wide top of funnel that you can subsequently scale via retargeting with paid social, as we've mentioned in other videos too.